Can you, in Bulgarian.
Можете ли?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you here. Let's unlock polite Bulgarian faster than your coffee cools. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to speaking smarter. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today's star is, can you, equals.
Можете ли?
Like a gentle knock on a door.
Можете ли?
Opens conversations, polite, friendly, effective. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for help like a pro, clear, polite, and confident. Neutral and polite.
Можете ли?
Can you, more formal.
Бихте ли?
Could you, shop window version.
Може ли?
Often used, slightly different nuance. Don't confuse.
Може.
It may, it's possible, with.
Можете ли?
Can you. Handy helpers, please equals.
Моля.
Help equals.
Помощ.
Show me equals.
Покажете ми.
Tell me equals.
Кажете ми.
Where is equals.
Къде е?
Mini dialogue, street help. Listen, smile, and repeat after me. Keep it friendly and clear. You.
Можете ли да ми покажете гарата?
Local.
Разбира се.
Of course. Bonus polite, you add.
Моля.
At the end for extra sweetness. Comedy bit, a robot hears.
Можете ли?
And replies, only if my battery agrees. Pronunciation groove. Let's lock in the rhythm so it rolls off your tongue. Clap clap, clap. Можете ли.
Можете ли?
Rhyme it. If you need a key, start with.
Можете ли?
Quote. Echo after me 3 times.
Можете ли? Можете ли? Можете ли?
Pro tip. Nod once, then open your hands while saying.
Можете ли?
Real life scenes. Time to use it where it matters, real life. Polite start anywhere. Can you? Equals.
Можете ли?
At a shop. Can you? Wrap this, please? Say.
Можете ли?
Plus.
Моля.
Quote dot. Asking for help. Can you help me with this box?
Можете ли да ми помогнете с тази кутия?
Directions opener. Can you tell me where the station is?
Можете ли да ми кажете къде е гарата?
Cafe order. Can you make a cappuccino for me?
Можете ли да ми направите капучино?
On Vitosha trails. Start with.
Можете ли?
Then ask.
Къде е?
The path. Quick quiz time. Test yourself. Say answers out loud. No pressure, just fun. Q1. Which Bulgarian phrase means, can you? Quote. A.
Можете ли?
Q2. True or false?
Можете ли?
Means, thank you. A. False. Q3. Complete the request.
Долна черта, долна черта, долна черта, долна черта, долна черта да ми помогнете.
Hint. Can you? Quote closing parenthesis. A.
Можете ли?
Q4. Level up the politeness chain. Can you? Quote. Could you? Quote. Would you be able to? Quote. A. Можете ли. Bit.ly. Bit.ly mogli da. TL Latin, Mozet li. Bict.ly. Bict.ly mogli da. TL Latin. Q5. Listening, you hear.
Можете ли?
What does it mean? A. Can you? Quote. Culture tip. Sophia smiles. Be polite, be clear, and Bulgaria smiles back. In Sophia, starting with.
Можете ли?
Sets a respectful tone for directions and service. Gesture to match. Raise your hand slightly, palm up, and smile while saying.
Можете ли?
False friend reminder.
Може.
Does not equal.
Можете ли?
Extra polite add-ons.
Моля.
Or switch to formal.
Бихте ли?
If needed. Your speaking challenge. Ready for a mini mission? You've got this. Role play, you're lost. Say, can you tell me how to get to the museum?
Можете ли да ми кажете как да стигна до музея?
Speed round. Quick. Bulgarian for, can you? Question mark quote.
Можете ли?
Memory palace. At your front door, a welcome sign reads.
Можете ли?
Before you ask for help opening a jar. Fun riddle. I open doors without a key, I sound like.
Можете ли?
Plus 3 dots, what am I? Answer. A polite request. Wrap up and next steps. Nice work today, politeness really is a superpower. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Можете ли?
With add-ons like.
Моля. Покажете ми.
And.
Кажете ми.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content and free resources. See you next time.